Now I'm going to discuss some editing commands which I've lumped together under the heading Miscellaneous. The command Shift-R enters overwrite mode, which is to say that the characters you type replace the characters that are already in the file. You can hit Escape to exit overwrite mode. The command tilde changes the case of the character at the cursor. It changes an uppercase letter to a lowercase and vice versa. And the command Shift-J joins the next line to the current line. The delete commands that you've already learned do not actually function on the new line character at the end of the line. You cannot use an X to delete the new line character at the end of the line. The only way to delete a new line is to use Shift-J to join two lines together. You can use a number before any of these. So let's demonstrate those. We'll use our Duke of York example again. So let's go into overwrite mode. I'll do JJW, and then I'll hit Shift-R. Notice that it says at the bottom replace, or I would call it overwrite. I'm going to type some new text. And you can see that that text replaces the characters underneath it line by line. If I hit a new line while entering new text, then it actually creates a new line. And now we go some more new text. It continues to overwrite the characters that are already there. I hit Escape to exit, and then to clean things up, I'll hit XX to remove those two characters. The tilde command, I'll do caret to go to the beginning of the line. The tilde command changes an uppercase letter to a lowercase. Tilde, 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 tilde. You see that the tilde command also moves the cursor forward. Tilde, 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 tilde. Or alternatively, caret, you can use tilde to change a lowercase letter to an uppercase. Tilde, J, B, tilde, tilde, tilde. So you see it changed capital little a n d to little big ND. Finally, you can use the Shift-J command, Shift-J, to join two lines together. And again, Shift-J. This is the only command that actually removes a new line. All of these commands can take a numeric argument. So for example, I'll rewind and throw away changes to get back to our original state. So for example, KK, if you want to join three lines together, you can type 3, Shift-J. And also, I'll do caret, and then if I want to change the case of 10 characters, I can type 1, 0, tilde. So you see it toggles the case of the first 10 characters after the cursor. If you use a numeric argument together with R, the result can be kind of intriguing. Do return to get to the beginning of the line, hit Shift-R, and I'll type new text space. Escape. If you add a numeric argument, I'll do 3 Shift-R, new text space. Escape. It actually performs that as though you had typed it 3 times. And this is a kind of a funky thing, but it may be useful in some circumstances.